The live events that are happening each week, those are basically just a place for you to connect with others and to ask your questions to
Oh,
me and to others live as things come up. Everybody's at a different point in their prep. Everybody has different areas of strength and weakness. So some people are
mhm.
at week 1, some people are at week 7, and some people are taking the LSAT in July, others are taking it in November.
Oh,
And so everyone's going to be at different points. And the group coaching is agnostic of all of that. It doesn't care where you are. We just address things in the moment as they come up. Those who are further down the path can support those who are just getting started. And everyone can get
okay.
some insights from that too. Everyone can listen and benefit, and I answer and others answer as well. So that's a place just to bring things, challenges as you're facing them as they come up. For the other classes, like the workshops, like on flaws that we've done recently, that's a place for us to go in depth and granular on flaws, and you can ask your questions in real time. The other
Okay.
webinars, that's just more food for thought on things like admissions or what law school is looking like these days, all the peripheral stuff that's not exactly the LSAT, but is obviously relevant to you and your journey. And then same deal
Okay.
goes for the recordings. Like, listen, if you want to change it up and listen to something different, like you can listen to my webinars on recordings of about study plans or staying structured, staying organized, because that's not LSAT content like games or reasoning, but it's still very relevant to helping you move forward. And so you might see some tactical things, maybe not about binders specifically, but about the overall theory and the framework of setting yourself up for success. And those are also nice because you can listen to those on the go. Like, let's say,
Mhm.
if you're driving somewhere, you can listen in the car, but you wouldn't be able to work through an LSAT problem in the car, but it's a way to still get some
Right.
information. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.